In this video, I'll show you how to set up a custodial account, or also known as Acorns Early. Acorns Early is a custodial investment account that allows adults to invest money on behalf of their children. The money legally becomes the child's at the age of majority, which is usually 18 to 21. In order for you to set up a custodial account, you'll need to first of all upgrade to a family or premium plan. If you have a Lite or a personal plan of Acorns, the early feature is not available. So if you want to access or want to set up the early feature, you need to upgrade to a family or premium plan. If you do have the family or premium plan, from the homepage of the Acorns app, just tap on the option which says early. Now, in order to get started, you'll need to fill in a few information such as your email and password. So type in the email that you want to have on this early account. This must be your email or the parents or guardian's email. So type in the email and tap on continue. In the next step, add in your phone number as well. Tap on continue. You'll get a verification code. In the next screen, you just need to add in the verification code that has been sent to your phone number. The next step is going to be to create a password. Make sure your password is strong, which must be at least 6 characters and must include one number, one lowercase letter, and one uppercase letter. So make sure your password is strong and then tap on continue. So that was the process on the way that you set up a early account or a custodial account inside of Acorns. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.